Today we got a video from police activity, and the title of the video is Oklahoma cop suspect who threw board and bricks at him. All right, let's get into the video.
Oklahoma City Police Department, how can I help you?
Hi, my name. I live on Southwest 64th Terrace, and across the street from my house, like catty-cornered across the street, there's a male outside in front of somebody's house, in front of their fence, and he's out there just screaming and hollering. And
you said it's across from your house?
Catty-cornered across from my house. I live at, I'm sorry, Southwest 64th Terrace. And I don't see anybody else out there. It is dark. But he is carrying on screaming and hollering, cussing, and something about beat them and calling somebody I mean, all kinds of stuff. And I have to leave for work in about 30 minutes or so, and I'm afraid to go out my door.
Oklahoma City 911, what's the address of your emergency?
Hey, there's a guy making a disturbance outside the house, or it's next door. Sounds like he's making threats to the neighbor.
What the address is?
Southwest 64th.
Southwest 54th?
64th.
64th.
64th Terrace.
Okay.
Yeah, he's making threats about the kids and stuff, but I can't see him talking to anybody inside of the house, or because he's right outside the gates.
Is there somebody out there with him, or is it just him?
I can't see anyone else besides him.
Okay, you said he was making threats?
Yeah, he's making threats about killing someone's kids and stuff.
Okay, this must be the officer. All right, he pulling up, trying to de-escalate the situation. Red shirt responded. Okay. He was cursing.
Oh, man.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around, man.
Oh, he took over. Oh, that's crazy.
Put the board down. Put the board, put the sticks
That's
down.
Crazy.
Put it down. Stop.
Woo! Got him together.
What's going on, man?
Pull your gun out.
What's going on?
Oh, you're not. The hand of God is here,
What's going on?
Touch me and you will die.
What's
touch
going
me
on?
and you will die. You will not touch my son again, for I am his father.
What's going on, man?
I want to see you touch me. I want to see how it takes to piss you off. Because I'm going to kill you. You know I'm going to kill you. For you kill my son, you.
Whoa, did the cops do that to his son? This guy is not right in the head. You can see, it's like, look at his eyes. It's like, knock, knock, nobody is there. The board, when he threw the board, it's like, all right, you know, whatever. But picking up them bricks is a whole different ball game. That could both can seriously injure somebody. But them bricks, that's crazy. He got to get put down like a dog. He ain't acting right. You got to act right. You know what I'm saying? If you act right, everything will be all good. But
People think you're bad. The hand of God is right there. Look. Look. You want to see God in fresh. Right there. Look. That's where God is. That's right. You know, like those over there. Rape kids. So I'm going to make you go over there and kill that.
What are you out here?
You are going to go kill that. Son, make him kill that.
I don't plan on killing
you. You are
anybody,
going
man.
to. You are going to. Son, make him kill that.
Hey.
Why?
What's going on, man?
Nothing. Stay away with me.
No.
You come at me, mother. You're going to die. My son will not let you touch me because you will die when you
Where do you live at?
I have no home. I'm homeless, mother.
What are you doing over here?
You.
What are you doing over here?
What are you doing here?
Because you're out here
What are you doing? Because God is here, mother. I am Jason Redshirt. I am a God. And you didn't know I was a God, huh? You goddamn police department. Didn't know you the God.
There's people trying to sleep.
I will kill you. You think you are buff. I will hit you once and kill you with one hit, mother.
There are people out here sleeping, man.
Them people, they're going to die today at 7 o'clock.
Why is that?
Because God is here and he's killing you all, unless they repent. If you want to kneel on your knee, you can repent and go to heaven. Otherwise, you will die, and at 7 o'clock, you will be dead. No, tell your police department that you will die. Quit following me. I mean it. Touch me. Touch me, and you will see my son smite you. You won't touch me no more, because he don't like the way you do it. For you think you guys are cool.
Get back.
You.
Get back.
Oh, man.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around, man.
Wait, he hit him with the mace? Hold on. I didn't see that. Hold on.
Because he don't like the way you do it.
That was quick.
Cool.
Get back.
You.
Get back.
Caught that boy quick.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn
He
around,
ate that. He ate that pretty well, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Put the board down.
That's crazy. Now, this is nuts.
Put the sticks down.
That
Put
boy
it down.
picked up bricks.
Stop.
Woo! Got them together. And you know what's crazy? What's the crazy part? You know they peeping through the window. Look at this. They got them blinds open, boy. You know they peeping through that window. Put that boy down like a dog, didn't they? Oh my goodness. Look at this. Them bricks. Picking up them bricks is crazy.
Put the sticks down. Put it down.
Put it down.
Stop.
Get them together. Okay, so let me see. What's the end result? He was arrested for 2 counts of assault and battery with a dangerous weapon. Oh, so he didn't. Oh, good for him, man. He lived, man. Good for him. Hopefully he got a factory reset and everything will be all good. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, you out of alignment and you gotta get back adjusted. That's what happens sometimes. Sometimes you get out of alignment and you just need a little tweak to get you back center mass. You know what I'm saying? Get you back right. Man, that's crazy. Dangerous situation, man. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you gotta do what you gotta do. I think the officer did pretty good. I mean, I give him, being put in that situation like that, 5 out of 5 stars from me. Some people may say, oh, they should have tased them or whatever. But look, picking up bricks can do some serious damage. Anyway, let me know how well you think the officer did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.